Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol engine pushing out 150 PS. Power is also delivered through a smooth S-tronic automatic transmission. This example comes in the lovely paint colour Daytona grey. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Across the front of the vehicle we'll also find a set of front parking sensors. Down below the vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels finished in a gloss black colour, as well as coming in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find some privacy glass on the rear windscreen, and helping you park and manoeuvre there's a rear camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. This vehicle comes with the electric tailgate option, making opening the boot incredibly easy. Behind the tailgate there's a large amount of storage space as well as a parcel shelf. Moving over into the rear passenger area we'll find a 3-seater bench in a mixture of Dynamica and leather combination. Up front for the driver's seat and the front passenger seats we'll have some S-line seats in the same blend of leather and Dynamica. In the centre of the dash we'll find an MMI interface. This allows you to access the inbuilt navigation, allowing you to quickly access your required destination, alternatively connect your smartphone device to the vehicle. In the centre console there's an armrest for the front passenger as well as the driver, and the driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trim steering wheel as well as an Audi digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.